Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going for a Dior event and I'm gonna check out the new collection. It looks pretty good. And after that I'm going to Chanel. I have to run some errands and I will check out what else is new in the store and I'll take you with me. By the way, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Just look at this decoration for Dior. It's so cute. I really like it. By the way, I'm at Marina Bay Sands Shopping Center and I will be going to a Dior pop-up store and will take you guys with me. It's so cool. I really like how Dior decorates everything. It's really nice. It just literally stretches everywhere. It's really cool. And this is a pop-up store where I will be going. And by the way, today it's only by appointment, which is good. So literally there's gonna be 2 people in there, my friend and I. So excited to see the new collection and can wait to share it with you guys as well. I like this bag quite a lot. It's so cute. The only thing is I'm not sure about this heart charm. I have been obsessed with the white color lately. I just can't help it. I quite like this print. I find it very cute. And these beautiful details. So nice. And I also want to try on some shoes, but unfortunately Dior doesn't have my size. They hardly ever have my size. I usually have to pay in advance and wait for a while for them to bring it in. And here is the bag. I think it's so cute. I like it. It's quite big though, but I will compare it later with a smaller size. But I think it's not very heavy and it's great for traveling whenever we'll be able to do that. And here is a smaller size, which is nicer in my opinion. And it's lighter too. I really like this color combination. It's very bright and quite special. But what size between these two do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. And also, if you have this bag, Dior Book Tote, what's your opinion about it? Is it worth the money? Do you recommend getting it? They also have a t-shirt with this print, which is so cute, but it's a bit oversized. It runs a bit too big for me. I think I will have to come back to Dior and try on items properly for you guys and to see if that stripy top fits me. More beautiful bags here. I like that shade of red. Dior always has such beautiful shades of red. It looks so deep red here. I like it a lot. It reminds me of my Chanel Classic Flap bag. And this sweater is really lovely. I just wish it wasn't so big. It's quite thick too. It's not easy to tuck it in the jeans. And the shoes look quite interesting. Again, know my size. And what do you guys think about this bag? This particular print? I'm not sure I like the shape and the color. But please let me know what you think about it in the description box below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. These running shoes are quite cute. They're so bright. I like them. I don't know if I would wear them anywhere, but I like them. And these 2 items. I have to try on that t-shirt for sure. I will definitely come back to Dior and try it on when they will get my size in. I think it's such a cool idea that Dior came up with. I love you in different languages. So cool. The design is so simple and yet so awesome. I love it. I'm going to Chanel now and I just want to show you the view. I love the sunshine and previously it was raining a lot almost every day. It's just so nice to have the sunshine back. I really love this weather. I feel like the sunshine makes me happy. There aren't that many people outside. It's quite surprising. I think most of the people are actually at Orchard. At Takashimaya or Ion, it's usually very busy. I like to shop there too, but I just don't like the crowds nowadays. It's just way too crowded. And you have to wait in lines for like half an hour to just enter the store, which is quite frustrating. By the way, Chanel still has the purple here. I think it's just for the display. I can't believe I rejected this bag back in March. I could have bought it at the old price. This white reissue looks quite cute. I haven't seen it before, but I already have my classic flap. I also saw this bag on Instagram. It looks quite cute. I wanted to check it out in person, but I'm just not sure about the leather. And this bag looks quite cute, but I'm not sure about this design. It looks too seasonal to me. And my favorite jackets, still, they don't have the size. I was hoping that by now they would bring them in, but nope, still don't have, still size 38. This top looks quite cute. I'm just not sure about the sequins. It's quite scary to wear it with the bag because it can just scratch it, but it looks very pretty. And the skirt is really nice too, all the details, very shiny. By the way guys, I have previously posted 2 videos about the private launch event from both boutiques. I will link down both of these videos in the description box below in case you want to check them out and see the collection that was presented. I'm just wondering when Chanel will get all the sizes in, because it's been quite a while, and actually last time before I bought my pink jacket I had to wait for 4 months. I really hope it will be faster this time. I understand why all the delays are happening because of the coronavirus, but I just really hope that my dream jacket will come to Singapore in my size because I really love it. These shoes are cute. Interesting bag. It's too seasonal though, but it's still interesting. And that sweatshirt. I love this scarf. It's so cute. It's like leather with pearls and chains. It's really cool. I like it a lot. I have nowhere to wear it. By the way, a friend of mine was looking for these earrings and she was told that they are not available at MBS and I can still see them here. Interesting. I saw this jacket too. It's really cool. It's not in the right size. It's in a size 36. I keep on trying on massive sizes for you guys, but there is nothing else that I can do. I want to show you how it looks, but it's always oversized on me. I think this one is cute. Maybe I should consider this one instead of the pink one. I don't know, but the pink one is the best in my opinion. But that one is cute. You can close all the buttons or you can leave it open. I quite like the fabric. It's so shiny. It reminds me of the fabric on my blazer dress, even though this one is a bit thicker. It's really stunning. Can you see the shine? It's quite cute. I didn't notice this one before until now and I really like it. I think it would look amazing with black trousers or even with jeans or with skinny jeans too. It's a nice item. I like it a lot. I just wish it was in a size 34 again, but unfortunately it's oversized. It's too big for me. And these bags, I like the CC logo. It's kind of cute. And this one's collectible special pieces. I like this ones, but they are very, very heavy. They are very beautiful too. These ones are amazing. Love them. And there is also this bag. It's quite interesting, but I prefer it in the mini size. Lots of red is available right now and more of those special bags. So pretty. This is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Please consider giving it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you like my content, please consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury goods shopping, Chanel bags, style and fashion, jewelry, beauty products, weekly vlog, travel vlog, and I posted quite a few Dior videos. And please also consider subscribing to my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!